Hey Brian, what are we doing out here today?
Well, I think we're gonna shoot this fridge today.
Why would we shoot a fridge? It didn't do anything to us.
What?
Brian, what are we doing out here today?
I think we're gonna shoot this fridge.
Why would we shoot the fridge? What did it do to us?
He's being a huge D-bag.
You got a problem, Chubby?
What's your problem, man? Like, you don't need to be rude like that.
What are you gonna do about it, Needle Dick?
You know what? I don't call for violence just because you're being a jerk, okay? There's no reason to be like that whatsoever.
Oh yeah? Well, Keanu Reeves is an asshole.
All right. You just crossed the line. You just went too far. Get him, boys. Light him up.
Y'all can't kill me, bitch.
Brian, finish it.
You got it. Breathtaking. Hello there.
I was not expecting that.
Why are they after me?
Is it recording?
Okay, it's recording.
Out of here.
Recording.
Wind and they don't like wind.
He's a huge bear. Okay. Cut. Okay. Again.
What's up? Wait a second, Brent. I'm not shooting. I want to get a video of the funeral. Okay, thanks, buddy.
Time to record the carnage. Pieces all around. It's gonna be a pain to clean up, but oh well. It's the part you never see. There's not much fridge left anywhere. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you like this video.